when the night is long and I'm gone.
Hello, hello, hello. This is what I have to share with you, a book for worship leaders and musicians. It is a 30-day devotional. Every day has a scripture. It has a exhortation and a short prayer. This is the back of the book. It's already published. It's on Amazon. This is a hard copy version. And let me see. And here you have the day, you have the scripture, there's an exhortation, and there is a short prayer. And on this page beside it, you can date it and you can reflect on the lesson in scripture that has been given on that day. This is now on Amazon, available to be purchased. And while I'm talking about this, I have a second book that is in the process of being published. It's already on Kindle on Amazon. The paperback version is just about ready to be published, and the hard copy version is about to be published. This is my second book. Third book as a book I wrote on reselling. I resell on 4 different platforms, and I started reselling because my husband had gotten sick and I needed another source of income. And I wrote the different practices and ways that I learned how to resell. There are also testimonies about reselling in this book from a Christian perspective. And so these 3 books are on Amazon. And I thank you for your time. And I'm asking you, take a look, purchase, leave me a comment. God bless you, have a smile upon you, and give you peace. I'm hoping that you will be able to connect with one of these books. God bless you.